Hey, welcome back, my peeps. I hope you all been healthy, safe, and crafting. I don't know about you, but I don't know if I could go a day without crafting. But anyways, I have a really easy and cute candy DIY for you. So for this is what we're gonna make. These candy. I don't know if you can see the paper is the shine. But anyways, let's see if I can see these. Butter. It's just like candy. And we're gonna make some of these too. Okay? So what you're going to need is some of these what they call them, base fillers, or I mean these are from Dollar Tree. Every season, every holiday, they have a different color combo. And I'm ashamed to show you this bag because obviously I've been collecting a lot. But anyway, this is what you're going to need. Right now they have pink, like Easter colors, pink, yellow, blue, light blue colors, you know, those pastel colors. But when every season that you see them, I will grab them because you can use these as cherries on top of your sundaes. I mean, there's so many uses for this. You can make bead garlands. It's just a lot of stuff you can do with this. Okay, so I have some right here that I picked out of my bag, some loose ones. So what we're gonna do is glue them. So you're gonna need some gift wrap, you know, this cello clear gift wrap paper. You need that, and you're gonna need some glue. I like this glue. It's a foam glue, perfect for foam balls. It sticks pretty easily and it dries fast. So I'm going to show you how I mean, if you try to wrap these loose in that paper, it's going to be very hard to wrap it. For the sake of this video, I already cut my cello. I got some long strips to make the candy rolls. Then I got some short strips to make the individual candy balls. So what you're gonna do is get your glue. And you're gonna take each ball and just dab a little bit of glue on the side and connect your ball, your foam ball. Then I like to just leave it laying flat. Take the glue, dab a bit of it, stick the next one on. Take some glue, dab. You just need a little dab. This is silicone glue. And you stick it on. It kind of has that stringy stuff like glue sticks, which gets on my nerves, but take another little dab, glue the last one on, right? So look, now you have your little, I don't want to pick it up, but now you have your, you let this dry. I mean, you can let it dry for like 10-15 minutes just to be sure. This glue does dry pretty quickly, but it's still, just to be sure, I let it dry for 15-20 minutes, or even overnight. Like, make them today and wrap them tomorrow. And that's what I did. I have one ready, you see? Like, this is not gonna go nowhere. I did this one earlier just for the sake of this video, so I won't have to take up too much time. And you want to cut your strip into, you know, long enough that you could wrap this in it. So you're gonna take it to the edge and just start rolling it. Make sure it's in the middle of your paper. Then you're just gonna roll it up, and you're gonna grab it, and you're gonna twist the end. Don't twist it too hard because it's foam, and you can always come back to it and twist it harder. You don't want to squash the balls in here. So just take your time and twist that, then come to the other end, twist it, go back, make this side tighter so it won't come loose. And there you have it. Your wrapped candy. Isn't this cute? Simple, cheap. You can make a ton of these because a lot of these balls, and you can make them in different sizes because these foam balls come in different sizes. So you can have big balls, little balls, whatever. So now, I'm going to show you how to do these individual candy. I have 2 here. Let's close my glue up. So you're going to take the small squares, right? Take your ball, put it in the middle. This is kind of, this is a little tricky because it's a little slippery there, but you just wrap it up like you did the other one. You take it, you twist. You see how you twist that? And then you go to the other side and you twist. And now you have your cute candy. You can put it in a dish. I don't have a dish with me right here, but you can put it in a dish. Or put them on your tier trays. Like you can put these on your tier trays, you know, for display purposes. I mean, they're just cute. Let's do another one. You take your ball, just wrap it. Just hold the ball because it gets a little slippery with the cello paper. But you grab it, twist, candy. This is just, I love it. It's so cute. Candy. And you can make these candies for every season because like I said, these things, they come out for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween. They have red, orange, and black. For like fall season, they have oranges and browns. For Christmas, of course, red and green. Easter, they have these colors. And now for 4th of July, Memorial Day, and all of that, they're gonna have red, white, and blue. I mean, the possibilities for making these candies coordinate with any holiday is endless. All right, that's just one more thing for you to make with these foam balls. All right, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I promise to make a video a week. This is an extra bonus video. I have another video coming out tomorrow, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys this one because it was so cute. And so please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks again. God bless.